Just a brief overview of using the Chief Architect 3D Viewer. When you follow the link, you'll first need to click on Load Model, and this will load the 3D model for the project. And then what I find is easiest to navigate the actual plan is to use the icon at the bottom that's next to the last on the right. And I don't know what this is called, but this view brings up the remote controls. You can still navigate the model with your mouse by clicking and holding the left mouse key. The other detail that I like to turn on is on rendering techniques. You go to rendering techniques and select standard. That's going to be a more accurate representation of the plan. So when we're in this next to the last selection down here in the center console, now we have these remote controls that let us move forward or backward or left or right, and we can actually walk through the walls into the house. And this is a nice tool to be able to see what's inside. And then this right key allows us to look left and right through the room. So these little icons are really what I find to be the easiest way to navigate through the plan. Now, if as you navigate you want to raise up your height, this up arrow will raise your viewing height or lower your viewing height. And then, of course, that gives you a more realistic approach when you're looking around inside the house. Hope that helps. Enjoy taking a look at your home in 3D.